I'm Walter Chipambwa. I'm an international faculty resident for the School of Art and Design for the year 2025. My experience here at Woxsen University has been a game changer in my academic life. I've learned a lot within a short space of time, the past 4 weeks I've been here. And to say it maybe in summary, I would say I'm so much more happy to have the experience in the time that I was afforded by the faculty in the institution, from the food, from the faculty staff, from the experiences, the lectures that we had, the student experiences, the visits to some of the cultural sites in and around Hyderabad. I would say it was really an eye-opener for me as a faculty resident scholar to Woxsen University. And I would also like to say the experience, it also gave me some opportunity to interact with other faculty colleagues to see further areas of collaboration and research that we can always do between this institution and my institution. From my trip from Zimbabwe to India, I can say in short, it has been a good experience to be at Woxsen University, and I thank everyone who has been part of the journey. Thank you very much.